Hello guys, so this is the Poco M4 Pro. It's also known as Redmi Note 11s. In this video I will make a review about ROM for basic functions such as the memory usage, internal storage, root beer, safety net, CPU throttle, taking a picture, recording video, and also playing music and sound video. Okay, so you will get a better view about ROM. If you want to know how to flash this ROM, you can check from my previous video. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We'll meet again with Bob. Okay, this time I'm going to make a quick review about ROM. Okay, on the previous video I already make a tutorial on how to flash the custom ROM on your Poco M4 Pro or the Redmi Note 11 4G. Okay, so this video I'll make a quick review so you will get some glimpse about ROM. And this is just an early stage, so a bug is expected. So okay, let's check ROM for the basic function. Okay, first thing I want to show you, as usual, maybe some of you guys want to know, that's the Wi-Fi working and the SIM card is working. You can see in here we have a working Wi-Fi and also SIM card, so there is no problem with that. Now let's check the image. Is it the image safe or not? You can see right here we have a working image, so there is no problem with the image. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, and what else? Yeah, let's check the system. About Phone and Android. This is using the Android 12.1. Okay. The security update on October 5, 2002. You can see right here. And maybe some of you guys usually will ask about the storage. Okay, you can see right here it takes about 1.1 gigabyte of storage. Okay, and let's check the memory usage. Go to the developer option, and it used 2.5 gigabyte of 8 gigabyte, so it used a very small memory. Okay, compared to the stock ROM. Nice. Now let's check the root checker, root beer, and also safety net. Okay, root management, blah blah blah, not rooted. Okay, so it's nice, you have no problem. And let's open the safety net. It seems we have failed the safety net. Okay, it's not a problem because 80% of the apps will rely on the root beer, not the safety net. Safety net usually used for the banking apps and other stuff, but you can always solve this by using Magisk. Okay, and what else? Let's check the 64. The CPU using the MediaTek Helio G96, and the CPU clock is still the same, between 500 and 2 gigahertz. Okay, nice. And what else? Let's check the CPU throttle. CPU throttle usually used for CPU stress. It means it will force the phone to use all the CPU and making the CPU high load. Okay. In other language, sorry, I mean the simple ways is, if you see this stable enough, usually it's good enough for daily driver for gaming and other stuff. And we can see right here also the performance is about 150 GIPS. It's quite good enough. Okay, so for you guys that want to use mobile gaming, Mobile Legend and other stuff, this CPU is, you can rely on the CPU. Okay, let's stop this one. And the CPU max is 145 GIPS and the minimal is 119. Okay, quite nice. And now let's test the camera. So I will going to take a picture and also record a video, and I will show you the result. And now let's check the result. I have take several picture and also video. Okay, this is the result from the front camera, and this is the result from the back camera. Okay, quite decent. Okay, and now let's check the result from the video. Guys, now I'm recording using the back camera, and let's put this video and let's check the result. Nice. So it takes a video and the sound is also clear, and this is the front camera. Hey guys, so this is recorded using the camera and let's stop this video. Nice. So we don't have a problem while recording the video. The sound also loud, because sometimes when you're using custom ROM, when you record the video, the sound will sometimes it's not very loud. Okay, now let's test the video and sound playback. I'm going to play a music video from the YouTube, and now let's play the music from YouTube and check the result. Okay, nice. The sound is very clear and we have no problem. Okay, let's play it again. Okay, nice guys. So what else? Let's open the map and check the GPS. So it seems the GPS is not very accurate. It takes time to lock the GPS. Okay, maybe some of you guys that depend on GPS, it's not very good. Okay, and I also noticed that we have a bug in Volte, so it doesn't run voice over LTA, and also we don't have the NFC right here. The NFC doesn't work. Okay, what else? I think that's all. If you have questions, you can put it in the comment section. Okay, so we have review about the ROM. Okay, and the internal storage, the memory that has been used. We have checked using the root beer, safety net, test the camera, and for taking a picture, also record video, and also video and sound playback using the YouTube. Okay, we have also test the CPU throttle, so it's quite nice. So for the verdict, it is still in early stages, but it's still better than the Mu. If you want to try it, you can try it. It's very nice, doesn't have a bloatware, and it's very fast. Okay, that's all guys. I hope it helps you. Thank you very much, and I hope you like my video. If you find it very useful, please give it a thumb. And I also have lots of video about routing, custom ROM, and lots of fun. Okay, especially Xiaomi, Samsung, Realme, Asus, and other stuff. Okay, you can find
in my video. Maybe some of the video will be useful for you. Okay, guys, if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make a new video. And that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum.